Hi guys, did you know that there are different ways to build your credit other than getting a loan or a line of credit or a credit card? Neither did I. Stay tuned so I can give you more information about these different types of ways that you can build your credit without getting a loan or a credit card. Hi guys, and thanks for joining me today at the Financial Spotlight. I'm Chantrell and I'm here to give you financial tips and tricks as you go on your road to know your money better. So let's start off this video by just telling you that I was so surprised when I found these couple of products that I'm going to tell you about. They are an awesome way to build up your credit without actually getting a loan, a credit card, or a line of credit. So first and foremost, I stumbled up on this first one when I signed up with Credit Sesame and I signed up with Credit Karma. Well, when I signed up with Credit Sesame, I was trying to figure out, okay, I need to get my score up a little bit higher. I need to start building things so that I can start, moving forward in some purchasing. I need to get some purchasing power. I need some more real estate. I just need to build up my credit, right? So I happened up on this service, which is called Self Lender. So I think they changed their name to Self, but either way, it's called Self Lender. And how it works is you basically go online. There's no credit check or anything like that. You put your information in and they give you options of what type of quote unquote loan that you're going to get. The loan itself is something that you're going to decide. Okay, I want this amount I only want to pay this amount a month. So for 12 or 24 months. And in that time span, after you have finished paying for the 12 months or the 24 months, you will receive the money that you put in there back. So basically you're doing like a savings, and while you're doing this savings, you're also building up your credit. Isn't that a win-win situation? And so you're having money stacked away without even worrying about it, and then you're also building your credit up because Self Lender reports to all 3 credit bureaus every single month. And when you pay that monthly amount, they're reporting that you are doing on-time payments. This is great because on-time payments or payment history makes up 35% of your credit score. So you making payments every month to this Self Lender and then in the end being able to get the money out yourself, it's a win-win situation. So that's the first way. Now, once you establish this account with Self Lender and you've paid them on time, or you've paid this amount on time for 3 months, after 3 months, the second option is to get a credit card with them. Now, with this credit card, I would definitely take advantage of the credit card option. With this credit card, you will be building your credit even more. So now you got the first thing, which is the loan, and that you're paying in every month. You're building your credit with that. Then you have the second one, which is the credit card, and then you're going to start building your credit with that as well. You want to make sure that anything that you charge on that credit card, you're paying on it on time. On-time payments are very, very important to help reestablish, or build your credit. Then the third option is something that came to me. I have a Chime account, and I love my Chime account because there's no overdraft fees, there's no monthly fees, nothing like that. I don't know how they're getting paid. It doesn't matter to me. All I know is that they're helping me out by giving me a free checking account where I can get my money deposited every month. Then I can separate it out, put it in savings or checking, and pay bills and do all the things that I need to do. Well, they offered me this option to have a credit card about a month ago through Chime, which is basically a credit building type of option. Now, it's not an actual credit card where they check your credit score and then give you a limit, etc. It's kind of like a secured credit card, but they don't check, like I said, they don't check your credit score to see if you're worthy of getting it, and you don't have to put a certain amount in there. So, you know, with secured credit cards, usually you have to put a minimum of $200 on a card, and then from there you're spending it every month and you're making monthly payments on the money that you've already given them. I never really liked secured credit cards, but with the Chime Credit Builder credit card, you're actually putting in however much you want. So say you wanted to put $50 in there, you put $50 in there, you can immediately spend the $50 and that's your credit card. It's like a credit card. And what they do, just like the other one, they report to the credit bureaus every month that you're paying on time. So within about 6 to 9 months, you should definitely see a jump in your credit score from 50 to 100 points. These are wonderful options for people that don't want to put dings on their credit and constantly applying for credit cards and applying for loans and just wondering if they're going to approve you or not. And every time you apply for something, you know that your credit score goes down a little bit. So you don't want to keep putting those applications on your credit score. So this is a great way to build up your credit. So I'm going to put the link to all of these options in the description box. And if you have any questions about it, please feel free to put those in the comments. I will answer every single question that I can about those 3 options. And also, if you would please like this video, also send it to your friends and family, share it on your social media, and definitely, if you are not already a member or a part of the Financial Spotlight family, go ahead and join us today so that you can get more free tips and tricks like this every single week here at the Financial Spotlight. Thanks for joining me. Have a good one.